Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 6. And today our topic is M.C.Q. 31 to 40, lecture number 32. So let's start the M.C.Q. What is the first question? 31 number question is, when was Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu elected as Khalifa? And B is the answer. He has elected as the Khalifa in 632 AD. So Hazrat Abu Bakr elected as Khalifa 632 AD. B is the answer. Now 32 number question. What does the word Farooq mean? My beloved students, many of the people's name is Umar Farooq or Farooq, but what does Farooq means? Farooq means, D is the answer, the distinguisher of truth and falsehood. Distinguisher means who divide. So who divide the truth and falsehood, they are called Farooq. Farooq, it's very precious name, very honorable name, because our second Khalifa in Islam, Hazrat Umar Farooq, it's similar to Hazrat Umar Farooq's name. So Farooq means, D is the answer, the distinguisher of truth and falsehood. Now question number 33. What is the name of the son of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu? Students, Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and Umar Farooq, same name, same person. So what was his son's name? C is the answer, that is Abu Shama. Abu Shama was his name. C is the answer. Now question number 34. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu built first one garden, second number mosques, and third number hospitals. So among there, which one is the correct answer? C is the answer. It means Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu has built mosques and hospitals in his time. In his time, he has built this. So C is the answer, 2 and 3. Now question number 35. Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha served Islam, number 1 with her wealth, number 2 by her tenderness, and number 3 by her intelligence. So B is the answer, because Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha served Islam with her wealth and intelligence. So number 2 is not related to the questions. So 1 and 3, B is the answer. Tenderness means emotion. Why 2 number is not answer? Because tenderness means emotion, and there is no affected of emotion in Islam. Now question number 36. Why is the Hanafi mazhab most popular? My dear students, you know there are 4 famous mazhab: Hanafi mazhab, Shafi'i mazhab, Hanbali mazhab, and another mazhab. So why Hanafi mazhab most popular? So B is the answer, because it is suitable for all. All means all the people. So Hanafi mazhab is the suitable for all. It's very easy to follow Hanafi mazhab. We can easily follow the Hanafi mazhab. That's why. Now question number 37. At what age Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilani rahmatullahi alayhi moved to Baghdad for acquiring higher studies? And I mean, what was his age when he wants to acquire the higher study from the Baghdad? So his age was 18. D is the answer. Now 38 number question. In which country was Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilani rahmatullahi alayhi born? That is in Iraq. It will be in Iraq, because in Iraq there is the in Iran. In which country was Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilani rahmatullahi alayhi born? That is, B is the answer, in Iran. Now my beloved students, read the following passage and answer the question number 39 and 40. So what here saying? An eminent jurist named D underwent physical punishment and imprisonment for a prestigious proposal given by the government. Students, try to understand. An eminent jurist name, eminent jurist means one of the famous lawyer, name is D, and underwent physical punishment. He was faced the physical punishment from the government, and also he was imprisonment. I mean, he was in the jail. So later he was killed as the instruction of the government. I hope you understood. So question number 39, which great personality has similar story to that of the lawyer named D? So according to this story, according to this short incident, among their four names, which famous persons similarity to this incident? That is, D is the answer, Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullahi alayhi. Students, if you read the Imam Abu Hanifa's biography, then you can inform about this. He was faced the physical punishment, he was faced the imprisonment, and at last he was killed by the government, so oppressor government at that time. So it's incident related to Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullahi alayhi. And last question is 40 number. Through sacrificing his life, his means Abu Hanifa's life, the said person upheld 1. firmness, 2. self-esteem, and 3. honestly. So B is the answer, because through sacrificing his life, I mean Abu Hanifa's life, the said person upheld with the firmness and with the honestly. So B is the answer, 1 and 3. That's all for today, my dear students. For the last time, I am telling you only the answer. 31 number B, 32 D, 33 C, 34 C, 35 B, 36 B, 37 D, 38 B, 39 D, and 40 B is the answer. So that's all, lecture number 32. I hope you understood my discussion, my dear students. Keep practicing at home to abide by your parents and give the importance to the live class, and most important information from the next class, we will perform the class according to the government syllabus, short syllabus. So keep watching the YouTube channel also and give the importance. See you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.